Good day, sir. My name is Jan Martin Roda, BSIT 4C, and my topic for today is all about distribution-based clustering. So, what is distribution-based clustering? Distribution-based clustering. As distance from distribution center increases, the probability that a point belongs to the distribution decreases. The bands show the decrease in probability. When you do not know the type of distribution in your data, you should use a different algorithm. So, pag nag-increase yung distance sa distribution ng probabilidad na yung point na nagbibilang sa distribution is nagdi-decrease. Kaya kung di mo alam ang klase ng distribution sa data mo, gumamit ka na lang ng ibang algorithm. So, meron pa tayong video and photo example about sa distribution-based clustering.
Hello, and welcome to Data Science Wednesday. My name is Tessa Jones, and I'm a data scientist with Decisive Data. Today we're going to be talking about cluster analysis and the basic techniques that we use to determine clusters. One of the more common reasons that we use clustering in a business setting is to understand what customers are related to each other, called customer segmentation, for various different reasons. So for the sake of simplicity, let's have an example to play with. Let's pretend that we are pet store owners, and we want to know who are cat people and who are dog people and who are fish people. Let's have some fun with it. So let's start distribution clustering. Distribution clustering is a pretty interesting technique. It basically looks at the probability that a particular point belongs to a cluster. So we know that we want three clusters. We want dog, fish, and cat people. We're going to fast forward a little bit to help make the point of how this one really works. So let's pretend that we know that we have three groups, and their centroids are like so. So if we draw a map that basically is the density distributions of these points, basically if this centroid is this point, if you're a person that lands right here in the data, it's 100% probability that you're part of this group. The farther away you get from here, the less the probability is that you belong to this group. And so it works really well because it's more of a probability that you belong to a particular group versus you are definitely part of this group or that group. For example, you have this guy out here that's a little bit of an outlier, kind of close to the dog people, kind of close to the fish people. And so this guy ends up having a probability that it belongs to any of these distributions. It might have a 53% probability it belongs to dogs, a 47% probability that it belongs to fish, and like a 0% probability it belongs to cats. So then you can determine where you want it to go based on your business needs. Maybe you want to say, let's advertise for both dogs and cats or something like that. You can be free to have a little bit more freedom of how to use that information.
So, yun pa yung video, sir. And ito naman po yung example ng picture about sa distribution-based clustering. And that would be all, sir. And thank you.